Fetch AI at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a short-term pullback after getting rejected within a key area of resistance between the 0.896 and the 0.721, which is that red target area. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the Fibonacci key areas of supports that you need to continue holding above, and above all discuss what I expect here on the daily chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we picked impulsively in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high above the 0.991. Then we started a corrective pullback in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and you can see that we are now seeing a reaction of that target area in what I believe is the start of an impulsive bounce in the formation of these wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of that second wave. And also doing the area that you need to pay attention to as your next target area to the upside lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 1.589. And once we fully hit that minimum target area, we can expect a short-term pullback in a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to the upper side. You also need to have in mind that for us to get a confirmation that the wave 3 is getting started, we need to see a substantial break above this high we made in the formation of that first wave, above the 0.991. The moment we manage to break above that, then we can easily continue pushing higher in the formation of that wave 3. On the short term, we need to have in mind that we can expect short-term pullbacks before we can continue pushing even higher. And using the 4-hour chart, I want to give you an area of support that Fetch AI needs to continue holding, and that is after seeing a 5-wave structure to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.991, where you can see that we got that 5-wave structure that gave us a low below the 0.547. Then I was expecting a bit of a corrective bounce in an ABC corrective structure, which has played out over here, having that as the wave A, a pullback in a wave B, and then finally saw the formation of that wave C. And in that ABC corrective structure, I had an area of interest that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the first wave to the low of that wave 5. And the area was between the fib level 0.78 and the fib level 0.382, and that is between the 0.896 and the 0.717, an area within which I have been expecting to see a rejection within this area, and you can see that it's playing out. And in this pullback, I expect that Fetch AI is going to continue holding within the Fibonacci key area of support that can be given by connecting the fibs from the lows we made in the formation of that wave A to the high of that wave C. And also doing the area of interest is between the fib level 0.5 and the 7.8, and that is between the 0.718 and the 0.621, which is that blue target area. So in case of any pullbacks in the next coming hours, that is the area that you need to pay attention to, because we need to find support within that area and then expect a reversal in the next coming days, breaking above key areas of resistances, and then we can get a continuation to the upside. But if by any chance we break out of this blue target area to the downside, then I will expect a breakdown move, giving us a reset of the lows we made down here below the 0.547 in the next coming days. So that is all that I expect here on the Fetch AI chart on the short term and also on the long term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.